Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by recording a timed dictation for 2 minutes to assess baseline accuracy. Listen back and transcribe what you heard immediately after recording. Note down every missing word, wrong word, and punctuation mistake for analysis. Classify errors by type and frequency using a simple spreadsheet or notebook. Set a realistic short-term goal of improving accuracy by 5% in 4 weeks. Schedule 3 practice sessions per week to build consistency and momentum. Review your tracked errors before each new practice session. Focus on chunking sentences into phrase units of 3 to 5 words as you listen. Practice shadowing by repeating aloud immediately after the audio for 30 seconds each phrase. Include short drills that isolate tricky sounds and punctuation for 10 minutes each session. Use high-quality audio at normal speaking speed and then at slower speeds for targeted work. Train working memory by writing only the first and last words, then filling in middle phrases. Gradually increase chunk size as accuracy improves during weekly reviews. Simulate Pte Dictation exactly, using the same audio length and no extra pauses. Use headphones and maintain a quiet environment to mimic test conditions closely. Time your responses and restrict edits to 1 revision within 30 seconds after initial typing. Treat each practice as a real attempt and submit only the final transcript for scoring. Review and score each practice using official scoring criteria on a weekly schedule. Adjust study focus based on persistent error patterns and track progress against your initial baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.